Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Now, this was sent to me from a company. They sent me an email, asked me if I would do a showing for them. I said yes, and then they showed me what the products were, and I was like, okay, no problem. But this is from New Craftday, and they sent me, I could pick out a diamond painting, so I did, but they wanted me to show this. Now, we'll do the portfolio first. Now, on their website, they have got this listed as, let me see, I wrote this down. It's an A3 diamond painting display clear book storage. Okay? And it's just a portfolio book. You can put your 30 by 40s in here, and they should fit nicely. I have to cut this. But yeah, the 30 by 40 should fit in here nicely. And I guess I'm going to just be struggling today with everything. Alright. So, this is listed for $13.99. And they have got 4 different colors to choose from, which are blue, green, yellow, and white. So I'll throw the plastic over there out of the way. So, this is a hard plastic cover. You can pull this out. Let me fold it around. But you can pull this out, and you can put, a label in here, or you can even write on this, or you could flip this around, put it back in there, and you could write on here, finished canvases, or if you wanted to do a display book of like your special drills, or just whatever. You could just write on there. You could put your dates on there. Whatever you want to write on there. Alright. There are 30 pages. And you can see they're just clear, see-through pages. And you can get 60 diamond paintings in these. Alright. The opening is up at the top. Now, I have to move this around because my desk is not big enough to get all this in it. But the opening is up here at the top. And we will, I think this is a 30 by 40. But this is one of the ones I've already done. I've had this sucker forever. But look there, y'all. It just slides in there. No problems at all. Okay, now I stole an idea. I was watching another creator, and they did an unboxing of one of these, and she had an idea, and I had never even thought about it until she mentioned it. So I told her I was going to steal her idea. And if you have never been on Diana's page or YouTube channel, she's wonderful. But her YouTube name is Diana Loves Colors. And she shows all kinds of stuff. But her idea was to take one of these books and put your canvases in that you've not even done yet. That way you can see, me I'll just be honest with you. All of my canvases that I have unboxed, I just roll them up, stick them back in their package, and stick them in a drawer. Now, I do have an app that I use that lets me know what all I have. Plus, you know, I know what all I have. But this is such an amazing idea that she had, was to use these to not only put your finished diamond paintings in, but the ones that you've not started yet. And in that way, you can go to it when you get done with one, and you can flip through and pick whichever one you want to work on, pull it out, and then there you go. Plus, this helps to flatten these little canvases out, because as you know, most of them come rolled up in a piece of plastic and some bubble wrap. So when you unroll it, it's going to have these little creases in it. Now, it's not going to hurt your diamond painting, but sometimes they're a pain to get flat. So this would be an absolutely great idea to store your diamond paintings in, and, you know, help flatten them out so that when you do get ready to do it, all you got to do is just pull it out and you're ready to roll. But like I said, these things are great, y'all. I love them. And I was so happy that they asked me to show this. So we're going to set this over to the side. And like I said, they have got this in 4 different colors. And they're only $13.99. Y'all, you can't even get a cheap one from Amazon for that. So just FYI. All right. So this is a canvas that I picked out because, you know, Father's Day is coming up. And a couple years ago, when I first started diamond painting, I did a canvas for my husband for Father's Day. And I seen this one, but I didn't do it. So when they told me I could pick out another canvas, this is the one that I grabbed. And I thought, well, I'm going to do it for him for Father's Day this year, to go with the other one that I did. But this is what is this? A 40 by 50 poured glue. Now, on their website, they have it listed as a cowboy horse, but we all know this is John Wayne, okay? And my husband loves John Wayne. So, like I said, I've already done one for him of John Wayne, and it turned out great, okay? Even though it is a face, it really did turn out good. I will have to say that it did, and it was a little 30 by 40. But this one is a 40 by 50, but the 40 by 50 is the whole canvas. The drill field is actually a 34 by 44, which is still fine because as you can see, if you can see, I know there's a glare, but he still looks good. And it's still, you're still going to be able to see a little bit of detail. And you can see there's 2 riders right here on horses. There's some mountains and some trees. Looks like they're like coming out of a, I don't know. What is that called? Not a desert, but I don't know. Anyway, they're riding. You got the sunset, and then you got John Wayne's face. Okay, so like I said, this is a 40 by 50 full round drill. So it comes with the green boat, a square of wax, and your single pink pin. Now it has got 20 colors. So let's look at the drills. Oh, wow. Oh, I was getting ready to say they're all broke up, but they're, oh, wow, they are. Well, this is a first for me. Usually, if they're all like this, it's from those itty-bitty tiny little packages. I hate those things because they put 50 million of them things in a bag. All right, I'm going to bring you down just a little. All right, so it does have the DMC color chart is listed on the schematic. So it does have the canvas numbers on the bags. Let's see if that's correct. Yes. So I don't know why they would I don't know why they did that. But anyway, it's okay though. All right, so we have got, this is number 6. So I'm just going to go through this. But there's 4 bags of this, which is, of course, 310. So there's 4 bags of that. And then there's some, like, burgundy, some mauve, some browns, some gray, some more brown. This is just weird that it's not in a strip. But like I said, that's okay. As long as they're all there and everything works out fine, that's okay. I had 2 in my hand, didn't realize it. So, yeah, I think this is going to look really good once it's done. And like I said, this is going to be for my husband for Father's Day, because he just loves John Wayne. And he can hang it with the other one that he's got hung up in the bedroom. So, let's see. The canvas is sticky. And it does have, it's got a little crease in it, but it does have the size and the canvas number up at the top. It has a thumbnail and a schematic on the top left, and a thumbnail and schematic on the bottom right. So we're going to come down just a little bit more, and we are going to look at the drill field. Now, they do have a light symbol on a dark background. I do appreciate that. And my phone, y'all, the lighting is not real great because it's like 5 in the afternoon, so. But yeah, I think this is going to look good. I'm not seeing any issues with the drill field. Everything looks pretty clear. And let's see, we are looking at numbers and letters. I guess if I put that in to where y'all can see it. But yeah, no symbols, just numbers and letters. So we're going to come right back up. Now, New Craftday has given me a code to give to y'all so that you get 10% off. But if you spend $50, you not only get free shipping for anything over $50, but you also get 2 free gifts. Now, I don't know what the gifts are. I think it's just, you know, whatever they send you. But if you put in, and it's sensitive, so I'm going to put it across the screen here if I can remember. But I'll also put the link to all of this plus the code in the description box so that y'all can get it. But it is a capital S CARLET 10. Okay? Like I said, I'll have everything in the description box. I'll have the links to this and a link to the book. So, y'all, these books are great. And I'm telling y'all best to get one before the prices go up. Now, I'm not saying they will, but you know how things are. Once they become popular, the prices go up. So, right now, this is $13.99. So, y'all, these things are wonderful. So, you best go grab one, and you got 4 colors to choose from. So, all right, y'all, that's all I got for this video. And until my next one, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.